So now my input negative wire that gets connected to the emitter. Right here. That the positive is connected. That's how that cap is on there, the positive's here. Hooked directly to the negative, goes out to the output battery. What I'm hooking up now is from the emitter, and the negative that goes to the battery here, right here to the trigger coil, that little black wire right here, that's what I'm hooking up. Okay, now it's pretty much time to see if it works. Always make sure your your output battery's hooked up first, or you will fry your transistors. Turn that heater off. Okay, here there's two 12-volt batteries. This is one, and this is one. But I'm only going to be using one as an input here. Let me see. Use that one. Okay, till I get this motor running, I'm going to be using this light bulb as a resistor. Into the motor in case something's not wired up right. So touch that, should charge up the capacitor. And there it goes. See the light bulbs lighting up and the motor started to turn. Second, I'll get a meter on that battery. You guys can see it's charging it. I was using 18 watts there. I've got a gauge on this battery. Once it's going here, I'll show you guys. Take you off the tripod. $12.86. Okay, I'm just going to touch the light bulb again here on it. It's getting hot though, so I think I'll use pliers this time. See that? That's all it is. Very simple circuit. If it wouldn't have started right off the bat, and you know for sure your drive coils are in series properly, all you have to do is reverse the trigger coil wires on your base and emitter. And another thing you should always do on these pulse motors is have it so that you can adjust the timing on your trigger coil. Like, I knew the timing was good on this one already because I just cut the wires off of it, but it can move back and forth. Let's see if it'll blow up. I'll put her direct to the power source. No resistor. Be a good YouTube video for finale if it blows up. I don't trust that rotor. It's using 37 watts right now. You can see how much it's charging though. It's charging pretty good. Here's the meter. So you can see what I'm filming here. 34. That's an AGM battery. I shouldn't bring it up that high of a voltage. So I'm gonna shut it off. But yeah, you can see it works. Get an up close of how I soldered that all together. It's a very simple circuit. There's 3 transistors. That you don't even need this capacitor, but it definitely improves the motor's performance with it. There's the diode. That's it. But don't skimp out on this step right here. If you're not doing that and you can't get your motor to work, don't even message me. But I appreciate you guys watching and learning this stuff, so if you want to get it right, just do what I just did and you'll make it work. And like I said, make your trigger coil adjustable. It's pretty simple. Well, thanks for watching, guys.